martial eagle can hunt antelope and even lions. This giant of African skies is over 3 feet tall, with a wingspan wider than a grown man's arms. It's not just big, it's built for dominance. Every feather, every muscle, honed by evolution to perfection. At the start of a hunt, it rises high, positioning itself against the sun. Below, everything becomes glare and shadow. Prey can't see it coming. Its eyes, sharper than binoculars, track every movement. The wind whispers, the grass shivers, and every heartbeat counts. Then, with near-perfect silence, it drops at nearly 150 miles per hour, a living projectile. Antelope, monkeys, giant lizards, even lion cubs fall to its speed, power, and precision. Every strike is flawless, every motion calculated. Survival itself depends on this moment. This is not just an eagle, it's a predator feared by creatures far larger than itself. When a bird earns the title of lion hunter, everything else becomes light work. Its dominance echoes through the savanna, a shadow of death and awe. This is Unboxed World, where nature's deadliest secrets are unboxed and whispered in the silence of predators.